At Mobility Solutions, we are doing an install on a Pride PX4. We're installing this docking bracket to use with a hitch-mounted lift. We will need to run a wire from the battery to the hitch. That is, unless you have a 7-pin connector, in which case you could simply use this 7-pin adapter to power the lift. We will start by installing our hitch, in this case a Class 3. Then install the L bracket, slide on the actuator, and connect the power head, tighten down all the bolts, and we are done.
PX4 tri-lift. That's the heavy-duty tri-lift I recommend for the PX4 because this thing's heavy.
Now, let's sit back and watch a quick time-lapse of Brandon and the new Chris doing this install. And we will get Chris's final thoughts on the tri-lift.
I know it's you, Brandon. I wasn't born yesterday.
The tri-lift is pretty unique to some different ones. This is the heavy duty model, so some extra steps you have to do with this extra pin. But something you can easily take off. It does have the fold down feature. This is their swing away for trunk access. Need a toaster oven? It's right there. Pull this back up and you're gonna lock this in place. There's a little push pin, kind of get it dead even. Why I like this lift for something like this is because there's no big bracket and the customer, they're not gonna haul it that much. So it's less in the back for her car, so she's not hauling on this huge platform lift. It just kind of locks it in, and you know, when you first get it, you're going to have to get used to getting this thing on. There's a male part of the triangle. This is the female part. You're not going to sit on this and let you lift it up, even though it probably would. You can also get a wireless remote with this. As you can see, it's going to connect. It's going to start to lift the scooter up. This bracket's bolted on.
For the sake of time, we are speeding this up.
So with a little bit of patience, this will lock it secure. Ready to roll.
It's important to note that this is a heavy-duty lift, There are a few lighter weight capacity models available that have a faster lifting speed. The heavier the object, the more difficult it gets to control changes in inertia.
Wait for the click. And that scooter is on there. Put the locking pin in, since it's the heavy duty with a heavy scooter, it's just for extra security. And hand the keys to your customer if you're the dealer. If you're looking for any type of vehicle lift to haul your scooter or power chair, just give us a call at 803-926-2224 or visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com. Thank you.